This is the National Emergency Alert System. This message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities, in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite and wireline participants in your area. At 3:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, experts from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration observed a gamma-ray burst originating from Proxima Centauri, and estimate the gamma radiation to make contact within the hour. We regret to inform you that the impact will result in the vaporization of all life. We advise you to remain calm and shelter in place. Do not panic. Do not leave your homes. Do not look up at the sky. Thank you, and may God be with you all.